Hi everyone, welcome back to Rhennie's Organized Life channel. In today's vlog, I want to share to you how I manage my time efficiently. Join me as I take you through a typical busy day of my life. From early morning wake-ups, household chores, to managing my office work in our business, to doing my creative things and everything in between, it's a full day of non-stop moving here and there. But before that, let us first watch this. And so we're back. Good morning once again. As what I have told you, I want to show you how I manage my time. As early as 5:30 a.m., I wake up already because I am assisting my children getting ready for school. But before I get busy, the very first thing that I have to do is to say a quick prayer. Prayer is a form of communication to the Almighty above, and it is my personal connection to Him. And after that quick prayer, the bed is being fixed. Likewise, my children, they're doing the same of fixing their beds and cleaning their rooms before leaving to school. In this way, one task is taken off from me. Since it is still early, I fit in my morning routine of stretching exercises. This is to perk up my day. Exercising boosts our energy, enhances mind alertness, and improves body metabolism. It also helps take away the toxins from our body. Whoa! It really feels good after those sweat. Now, I am ready to do the household routine, so let us proceed to the kitchen. By now, my children already woke up and doing their own tasks and preparing for school. In order for me not to panic on thinking what to cook, I made a meal plan ahead of time, say on a weekly basis. So, this morning, I will cook with some sunny-side-up eggs, fried bacon, and cucumber salad. While for lunch, we will have chicken adobo. It really saves my time cooking all-at-once food for breakfast and lunch. At the same time, my meetings and work at the office shall not be hampered. At this moment, probably my husband is at the garden. He is watering my plants and then washing the car afterwards. I am passionate about dish gardening. I do my gardening during Saturdays. Perhaps I will create a separate content about gardening. Please subscribe to my channel so you will be notified once it is out. Now, the food is done and table is ready. I'll just prepare some coffee and juice. After this, I will pack the lunch of my kids. Well, the kids are here already. Hello, good morning. Come on, let's have our breakfast together. Your bus will arrive shortly. At 7 o'clock, we send off our children to school and made sure that they don't leave things behind. Goodbye, sweetie. Take good care. Now, it's time for the household chores. I don't treat household chores as a burden, but I look at it as part of everyone's daily life grind. No matter how busy I am, I made sure that my house is clean and organized so I will be productive. When chaos is around me, I can't give focus on my job. So, I must deal first the mess before I will dive into work. I gave time for 2 hours to do the household chores. By 9 o'clock in the morning, I have to rush back to my room to get ready for my office work. By 10 o'clock in the morning, I hop in at the office to deal with the finance and administrative work for our construction business. Sometimes, I have to go to the project sites as part of the project management and monitoring. I no longer think of food preparation for lunch since it was already done in the morning. So, the 30 minutes time saved can be used for meetings or whatever task there is. After lunch break, I proceeded to one of the most engaging parts of my daily routine. It's my creative business. It demands a lot of time but feels so satisfying on making crafts like jewelries, notepads, planners, and etc. This is where also that I plan and shoot video contents for social media. By 4 o'clock in the afternoon, I am doing technical market analysis for Forex Trading. I trade during London session because this is the market that fits to my schedule. Afterwards, I am off by 6 o'clock in the evening, in time for the dinner preparation since my children are on their way home too. Dinner time is so much fun for us because this is the time that we get to talk to each and everyone. We usually talk what was their day like in school, what were their activities, or if there is a little concern that needs to be discussed. After dinner, one of my children is tasked to wash dishes and clean the kitchen. My little helpers at home with some simple tasks are my children. Actually, this is a big helping hand. After that, they will be on their own to study their lessons. If I have extra time, I can watch my favorite TV drama series at night. Sometimes, if I have unfinished tasks and it is urgent, I have to get back to the office. Though, this is not happening every day. In any case, this is the right time that my schedule is being checked for the next day. By 9 o'clock in the evening, when everyone is in their rooms, I do a home rundown. This is to check every area of the house to be in order. So, I clear all the mess, pick up toys from the floor, arrange the cluttered things, and put these to its proper places. Also, I have to throw the garbage to the designated dumping area. Then, check that all doors are being locked. Lastly, unplug any gadgets and put off all the lights. My day is done, so I have to refresh myself now. Right now, I am in my bedroom and it is 10 o'clock in the evening. I have just finished doing my self-care routine. I guess I have to say goodbye first to you before my night prayer. Well, you have just witnessed what is it my day like. Being a working mom is not a joke. I hope this gives you an inspiration. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Good night, everyone.